Hello, in this video you'll learn some basic navigation on your Chromebook. So we'll kind of start with the background. So once you've actually turned on your Chromebook, I've already personalized mine a little bit, so yours is going to look a tad different. But the background, which on a regular computer that you're used to, is just called your desktop. You cannot place any icons on your desktop, but you can customize it. All your icons, or what we'll call apps, are down here on this area at the bottom that's called your shelf, which again is kind of similar to what you're used to on a regular computer. You have a little button over here in the corner that's called a launcher. So if I click that, you'll get a menu that pops up, and you have a search bar, which we'll go to in a different video. You'll have your most recent apps that you've tried to open, as well as a button that says all apps that you can access things that you can download. And we'll go through that here in a second. To close that launcher, you can just click the launcher button in the corner again, or you can hit escape on your keyboard. Okay, so down here again in the corner, you have your clock. And if I click on that, you get another menu that pops up. Here's where you can find and connect to Wi-Fi. So you can see here I'm connected to staff. So if I click that, down in the corner, you'll see that it's starting to scan and find different wireless networks. So if you're at home and you need to find yours, you can click it and put in your password. Also down in this menu, you can sign out. You can access your settings menu, get battery information. If you click on the settings button, it will open up the settings menu, which again, we'll go to a little bit more in depth in a different video. You can also access, to go back to your launcher, that little icon. If you look on your keyboard, you'll see that exact same icon, and if you click that, you'll get the same menu that pops up. To customize it a little bit, your wallpaper, if you right click is a little different on your keyboard mouse, so I'll show you a picture of it. On your pad, all you have to use is 2 fingers and click on that pad, and when you click, you'll get your right click menu to come up. So if I go back to my desktop and I do that same thing, which is those 2 fingers and click, I'll get a right click. And here's where you can set your wallpaper, your shelf position, you can change. So if I do that, it's going to go off to the left. I right click again, put it over on the right. I like mine on the bottom, so I'll keep it on the bottom. You could also auto hide your shelf. So when you click that, when you have a web page opened up, you can see that it disappears, and all I have to do is just bring my mouse down to the bottom and the shelf will appear again. If you want to change that again, you just go back to your desktop, 2-finger click, which is your right click, and you can see we have a check mark next to it now, but I'm going to take it off. I want it to always be visible no matter where I am. So that's just a quick video about navigation around your Chromebook.